The Finesse Moisturizing 2-in-1 shampoo is an effective moisturizing shampoo and helps bring life back to dull, lifeless hair. It works extra hard on your hair to restore vitality and also protects it against further damage. Now, with this highly effective hair shampoo, clean, silky soft and manageable hair is yours to keep. Country of origin is United States. Finesse Moisturizing 2-in-1 shampoo provides extra moisturizing while leaving your hair clean, silky soft and oh so manageable. It also protects your hair against future damage, helping you just where needed. Ingredients: water, ammonium lauryl sulfate, ammonium Laureth sulfate, Cocamide Mea, Dimethiconol, silk protein, ammonium chloride, PEG 5 Cocamide, fragrance, Parfum, Propylene Glycol, Carbomer, Amodimethicone, Dodecylbenzene sulfonate, Tetrasodium EDTA, Guar Hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, DMDM Hydantoin, C1115 Pareth 7, C1216 alcohols, Trideceth 12, ppg9, Methylchloroisothiazolinone, Methylisothiazolinone, Mica, titanium dioxide. Directions: massage into wet hair to form a lather. Rinse thoroughly. Use daily. Gentle enough for color-treated hair. Top reviews from the United States. Does the job. I have always hated using a conditioner and trying to rinse it out of my hair. This 2-in-1 lathers nice and rinses well, saving time and water.